Good morning guys! This is Philstar Krishna. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Wedgwood Heights sa Silang, Cavite. Malapit po ito sa Ayala, West Grove. Ang sukat po nito ay 436 square meter. At ang frontage naman po nito ay nasa 15.5 square meter. As you can see, this lot is gradual uphill, facing northwest. For the accessibility, this is nearby Nuvali, 1 minute drive Calax exit, 10 minutes drive Mount Plaza and SLEX, 30 minutes drive to Tagaytay area. So let's go to the pictures and amenities. It has clubhouse, swimming pool, kiddie pool, playground, tennis, basketball court, picnic parks, landscaping, underground, electrical. So everyone, if you're interested, please contact us. And that's all for the day. See you next video.